All right, so as you can see here, we're into Miss Marijanne's session log as an example, and we're gonna walk you through the highlighted raw in yellow. So the session log starts with the month. So let's say we're in October 2023. It's the month where you're currently in with all of your students. And then column B is the coordinators, and all you have to do is to just click in the drop-in menu and to select the coordinator in charge, and then you have to write in the student's last name, first name, session date, and session duration. And please take care that the session duration is in hours, so all you have to do is to divide the session minutes by 60 so that it's converted into hours, and then the session number. So whether that's a demo session, your first session, or your third, fourth, etc. And then the PLU, and the PLU is the post-lesson update that you have to fill in after each and every class. And the post-lesson update is in the same document of the progress report. And where will you find those documents? It's in the WhatsApp group information, per students group, as we've shown you in the last video. All right, and then you have to write in the topic. So what was the topic for today's session? And even if the student didn't show up, just write in no show first time, no show second time, no show for the third time, per se. So in the topic, you just have to write in all of, the topic that was discussed in today's class. And even if the student didn't appear, then write in that it's a no show. And then the video link, and the video link is the Fathom recording of your session. And the way to paste this here is really simple. All you have to do is to go through your recording, your Fathom recording, after it's been uploaded to your Fathom account, and click in share button. Don't just copy paste the link from the browser, because it won't work. Just click in the share blue button here, and it's copying, and after it's been copied, then you can paste it here easily, and the recording will be shareable to all. Then if you want to drop in any special comment to us, just insert a comment here or type in whatever thing you need us to know in the K row, in the key column, I'm sorry, after the video link. So any special comments that you'll need us to know regarding the student that happened in today's class, you can write this here or tag us in the insert comment. Because this Excel sheet is only accessible to all the coordinators and not to the students. So whatever item you'll need us, or any special comments you'll need us to, feel free to drop it here or to chat privately on the WhatsApp on it. Thank you very much, and please let us know if you have any questions. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you. I hope you found this video helpful, and have a great day.